In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Microsoft Edge. This simple yet effective customization can help reduce eye strain and give your browser a sleek, modern look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. If it's not already open, you can find it by clicking the Start menu or searching for it in your list of programs. Once you're in Edge, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice three dots lined up vertically, which is the menu icon. This is your gateway to the browser's settings and options. Go ahead and click on those three little dots. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of choices. Among these options, you'll find Settings. This is where you'll head next. Give it a click to proceed. Now, as you're welcomed into the Settings menu, take a look at the panel on the left side of the screen. These options allow you to fine-tune your browser to best suit your preferences. Here, you'll want to focus on the Appearance tab. Clicking on Appearance will open up a new set of options on the right side. Once there, you'll notice a section labeled Overall Appearance. This is where you can choose how you want Edge to look. Within this category, you should see an option for Dark. By selecting Dark, your browser will switch to a darker theme. This change not only looks great, but is easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. And just like that, you're all set. The change is instant, and you can now enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience. This adjustment is particularly helpful if you spend long hours in front of your screen and want to reduce glare and eye fatigue. Plus, the dark theme provides a fresh, elegant look that's both stylish and functional. So, there you have it. You've now successfully customized Microsoft Edge by enabling dark mode. It's a quick and straightforward process, but one that can make a significant difference in your day-to-day browsing. Feel free to explore other settings within Edge to further tailor your experience. Whether you're looking to boost productivity or simply want a browser that feels more personal, these small tweaks go a long way. Thank you for following along with this simple tutorial. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools. Until next time, happy browsing!